My sister and I are best friends, and we have this infinite passion for design and for the creative arts. So this has been a dream that we've been talking about for a long, long time, about creating and collaborating and doing something together. For us, this dream has come a reality through SORELLA Home. We're two sisters, we are engineers, we're entrepreneurs, we're mothers, wives, that we just found a way to express ourselves. And we really want the world to enjoy that with us. We have come to this conclusion that we need to give back to the community. Just the way we have made our dream become a reality, we want to help other women empower themselves and just jump and go for it, follow their dreams, and sometimes we need a little help in order to accomplish that. So we have decided that each of the pieces we sell, we will give a percentage of the profit to few foundations focusing on empowering women as well as education.